development over the Hooch tragedy. What we are getting to know as far as the BJP chief has now written to the Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge. Yes, Sagarika.
Letter, JP Nadda has in fact questioned the Congress party and its silence, and let's take you through the operative parts of this letter. JP Nadda goes on to say, Khargeji, as you know, Karunapuram is largely populated by the scheduled caste who face several challenges due to poverty and discrimination in Tamil Nadu. In light of this, I was shocked that when such a huge disaster has taken place, the Congress party led by you has maintained a stoic silence on this. Certain issues require us to rise above and beyond party lines, and the welfare and safety of the SC/ST community is one such issue. Khargeji, today it is the time to truly walk the talk on Nyay and not reduce it to a catchy campaign slogan deployed for the launch of a failed political dynasty. Today, the people of Tamil Nadu and the entire SC community are witnessing the double speak of the Congress party and particularly of Shri Rahul Gandhi and leaders of the INDIA bloc. Suddenly, all the sanctimonious preachings of Rahul Gandhi about the constitution and ensuring the welfare and rights of the SC and OBC community have stopped. Instead of taking action, now here there's also a mention of the insensitive comment made by Kamal Hassan. JP Nadda goes on to say, instead of taking action, DMK-ND alliance, Congress's ally Kamal Hassan went and rubbed salt into the wounds of the victim families by blaming them rather than the corrupt nexus of illicit liquor mafia and the DMK-INDI alliance's functionaries. Then he went on to say that there is an attempt to block the CBI probe. So this is the operative part of the 4-page letter that JP Nadda wrote to Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge when it comes to the Hooch tragedy in Kallakurichi. Amita.
Thank you very much for that, Sagarika. Those political developments taking place, of course, when it comes to the death toll, unfortunately, has gone up to 57. We'll get you more reactions on that back after a short break.